In this short subject, we're going to look at applying a simple diffuse material. So here's our Maison Domino with the attractive colors of green, yellow, and magenta. Launch your material editor. I'm using the compact mode as opposed to the node. Select the object, activate your material, and then use the sphere to the green cube option. You can repeat this again. My whole Maison Domino model has been grouped, so it's applying all the colors throughout. Hit the render and you can see the results of that. If you'd like to adjust the diffuse color and brighten it, notice that the change in the material editor is reflected also in the model. We can see that here after we render the view. So we would like our ground plane as a different color. Select it, sphere to cube, and now it will appear slightly darker than the original material. So go back to your original material, select the diffuse color, and then using the color picker, you can pick any color. Notice the change in the viewport. Hit return, hit render, and there you have the result. So it's really quite simple to apply and adjust your diffuse color. Let's go back to a far more appropriate gray. All right, render the teapot.